Racism has been intertwined in our system for centuries, structurally targeting people of color, Black people, my people. And it has worked to not only hold us back, but to claim too many of our lives for centuries. Like most parents, my parents dreamt of and worked toward a brighter future for me. Their parents did the same for them. I am doing the same for my family. But as a global community, we must now all work together to build a better world for all children everywhere. We are living through a major moment in history. When our children ask what we did to have an impact, I want to be able to tell them that I was a part of the fight for liberation, freedom, and equality for all people, that I answered the call. That is what I will say to my kids. What will you tell yours? I pray that we continue to work toward building the kind of world that they deserve to live in. We have to fight for them. And so it is my profound pleasure to introduce you to a longtime freedom fighter, co-founder of one of the most important movements of our time, Black Lives Matter. Please welcome Opal Tometi.
Nearly 8 years ago, out of necessity, I co-founded Black Lives Matter as an affirmation, a platform, and a vehicle to support our modern-day human rights movement. Today, the work is still urgent. Our community still continues to be targeted by violence and systemic injustice, and we're also faced with being disproportionately affected by COVID-19. We can't afford to behave naively and believe the idea that resources will trickle down to Black communities. Instead, we must focus on ensuring that testing and access to quality healthcare is available to everyone.